Welcome back mga ka-joy! At ngayon matutunghayan natin ang pag-bake ng cinnamon rolls. Sarap! Hi guys! Welcome to Joy of the World! Heto na ang unang step at ang mga ingredients. Ihalo lamang ang 2 cups of milk na pina-warm with the 1/2 cup of butter, isama na rin natin ang 1/2 cup of sugar, at saka natin ihalo ang ating 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. Kailangan lang natin na i-dissolve ang ating sugar at gawing wet ang ating yeast. And then set aside for 10 minutes. Pagkatapos ng 10 minuto, mapapansin niyo na ang ating yeast ay gising na. Bumubula-bula or nagkakaroon siya ng foam. Pagkatapos nito, ihahalo natin ang ating yeast mixture sa 4 cups of flour. Gumawa ng well at dito i-pour ang iyong yeast mixture. Saka haluin. Dahan-dahan lamang ang paghahalo. Siguraduhin bawat ingredients ay naihalo. If you have a bigger mixing bowl, it will be better. Kaya ayan, nakikita ninyo, unti-unting naghahalo na ang mga ingredients. Pagkatapos na haluin ng mabuti, siguraduhin basa ang lahat ng ingredients. Pagkatapos, takpan ito ng cleaner at iset aside. Hindi kailangang magkakaroon na ng forma ang iyong dough. Ating ipapatubo muna ang dough na ito. At ipapatubo natin ito sa loob lamang ng 30 minuto. Let's now proceed with the preparation of our filling. So our ingredients are, we need 3/4 cups of brown sugar, we need 3/4 cups of butter, and we need 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Kailangan mo lang ihalo ang mga ito. Ayan, nakikita ninyong nagiging homogeneous mixture na. Tapos, iset aside. Kasi mamaya pa natin ito gagamitin after ng ating dough. Ayun ang ating dough. It has doubled its size. Very enriched and very wet. So our next procedure will be, we'll be mixing additional 1 cup of flour, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, plus 2 teaspoons of salt. We will just incorporate all the ingredients and we will prepare ourselves for the kneading. Kneading will take place or take some time, mga 7 to 10 minutes. And later you will see how things will be kneaded. Yung style ko ng pag-knead, I usually put it in a baking pan and greased with butter. And dun ko na siya i-knead. And after that, kailangan mo lang talaga ng konting masa. Masa dito, masa doon, para pumorma ang iyong dough. For sure, at the start, it is very sticky, so add flour when necessary. So yan, kailangan mo lang siyang i-knead. If you notice, I add flour from time to time. And you can have some style of your kneading, such as this slap style. Yan, slap. Sampalin mo. Also, you can also do what I can say as like push and twist. And push and twist. Also, you can have the 3-fold style. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But whatever your kneading style, make sure that you have a good dough. If you'll notice, my dough is very soft, very enriched, and I just add few more flour until such time it will be like this. Even though you slap it, it's not going to stick at all. So, your dough is about to be ready. So you will be spreading it on a baking sheet. When you spread your dough, it has to be in a rectangular shape. So spread it, spread.
A few moments later.
So after spreading your dough, you're now ready to pour in your cinnamon filling. Okay, and this time, you can just take time to spread your cinnamon filling. Just take time in spreading your filling. Actually, it's very good that you're spreading the filling. Just taking some time. It's actually very relaxing. And then you will just see to it na all of the sides are with the filling. And after which, you're going to do the rolling. Rolling of your cinnamon rolls. After rolling your log, cut your cinnamon rolls according to the size that you want. Then bake your rolls for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. And there you go. Yum yum. Freshly baked cinnamon rolls. After which, you can top your cinnamon roll with your favorite filling. For this one, I had my condensed milk. It's so good. It's so soft. Masarap. Okay mga ka-joy, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.